Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the GOOLOO GT4000s to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product, GOOLOO GT4000s Car Portable Jump Starter is a high-performance portable jump starter designed to revive dead car batteries quickly and reliably. Featuring a powerful 100-watt fast-charging capability, it ensures rapid power delivery for both the jump starter itself and compatible devices, reducing downtime. Its compact and portable design makes it an essential roadside companion, providing emergency power when you need it most. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the GOOLOO GT4000s, battery clamps, USB-A to USB Type-C cable, carrying bag, user manual, parts description, display screen, USB Type-C in or out port, USB 1 out port, USB 2 out port, DC out port, power button, boost button, 12-volt battery clamps output, LED light. How to use. Connect the red clamp to positive and the black to negative. Don't boost your vehicle when the red light on the clamp is on. Don't repeatedly start the vehicle in short time. If the vehicle can't be started at first time in 3 seconds, please be sure to wait 30 seconds before restarting it. Ensure 50 or above charge remains to start your car. Don't start a huge engine-sized car over the suggested max start engine. Don't start your vehicle if the plug is not completely inserted to avoid the clamp melted. Don't start your car if the products are blown up. How to recharge. This unit can be charged using the Type-C cable and a wall charger. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.